Hello YouTubers and welcome to my channel. This is the Prince of Forex, and in this channel I'm teaching you how to trade like the hedge fund managers and institutional traders. Now we'll talk about gold. I want to tell you something. What if the financial market is easy to trade? Or what if the financial market is easy to navigate and make profit? And we make it hard for ourselves as traders. We try to draw things like trend lines. Why using a trend line? And you plan to buy at the bounce, right? That's very wrong. That's very wrong. Like you want to buy here. That's wrong. Now the question is this: is the market actually trending? No, the market is not trending. The market moves from one range to another range. You can see it as trend, okay, no problem. Now, institutional traders know about this stuff. They know that there's a part called an expensive zone, which is the up one. They want to sell from here and they want to buy from here. The same way our day-to-day life, we buy things when they are cheap and sell them when they are expensive. That is how you should trade. Now, what will I do if the market gets down to this level again? I'm going to sell. Why? Because sellers were present here and I'm seeing this as an expensive zone. I just sell because sellers were present. Now the question is, will I wait for confirmations like bearish engulfing candle? No, I just take the trade and I will watch the trade. I will monitor the trade to see if sellers are present. If I start seeing things like bullish pressure to the upside, I will close immediately. And when I'm trading, I don't use small stop losses like tight stop loss like this. No, I use stop loss like this so that I can have time to think if I should hold the trade or not. Let's say I'm risking 2% here and I'm in a drawdown like this, something, and it's going upward. I will be losing like 0.5% or close to 1%. And with something like this kind of formation, bullish formation, I know that this trade is going to be a bad trade, so I just close up. And what if the price gets down to this level? I just buy. Do I wait for confirmations? No, I just buy. Waiting for confirmations can be emotionally damaging because one, let's say the trade goes up a little bit and we now buy. Now I have to increase my stop loss or I make it tight, something like that. And finally it comes back to retest. Will you be able to manage it emotionally? No, because we are human beings and drawdowns can affect us. We might close it and eventually after closing the trade now goes in our favor. The question is, what do we do? Just take the trade and observe the trade and do not use tight stop losses. Use the stop loss that can allow you to think. Now you have to manage your trade from one level to another level using things like support here. There's a support here and there's another support here. There are supports everywhere. So at this support, I don't take my trade from this support. I manage my trade at this support. Now I'll be opening like 3 positions because I'm seeing a lot of support and resistance here. Let's say I take this trade from here, a long position, immediately price gets down here and it goes in my favor, yes, with a good stop loss, so I can monitor and manage my trade. And this is like 1:8, 1:5 reward. Now I have to open like 4 positions so that when price gets down to this level, when price gets down to one of this level, I close one position. It gets down to the level, I close one position. It gets down to the level, I close one. I'll just manage the trade just like that. I don't wait for confirmations at these places. I just take the trade. Why? Because buyers are present here and sellers are present here, and that is it. The market does not trend. The market moves from one range to another range, and if this range is being broken to the upside, a new range is being formed. And if this range is being broken to the downside, we stay at this range. And if this one does not hold and it breaks to the downside, we stay at this range. And these ranges can be created going to the monthly time frame. Watch my previous videos on how to mark out these levels and you understand how these ranges are being created. The market does not trend, and you stop doing things like this. They affect your trade. Trend lines do not work. Our day-to-day life, we don't use trend lines to buy things in the market. We buy them when they are cheap and we sell them when they're expensive. So that we shouldn't treat our trade in this way. Buy when it's cheap and sell when it's expensive. This is the Prince of Forex, and I got you. Like my video if you are getting valuable content from here, so that I can reach out to you and reach out to more people. This is the Prince of Forex, and I got you.